Hi, first grade. I hope you had a great 4-day weekend. How awesome was that? Well, today we are going to identify the characteristics of the dime. How will we do that? We are going to look at dimes and discuss what we notice about the dime. Why are we doing this? Because it's important to be able to identify and describe a dime. Remember our vocabulary word cent? Say the word cent. A cent is equal to 1/100th of a dollar. That means any amount of money that is less than a dollar. A dime is a silver-colored coin made of both copper and nickel that has President Franklin D. Roosevelt on it. The back of the dime features a torch with 2 olive branches. This is a torch that I'm carrying, but it doesn't look as much as like this one right here on the back of the dime and the 2 olive branches. All right, so let's look at our anchor chart. We have a penny that everyone said was brown, round. There was Abraham Lincoln on the front, Lincoln Memorial on the back, or the Union Shield on the back, and that a penny was 1 cent. All right, here's our nickel we talked about with Thomas Jefferson, the side of his face and the front of his face on the newer nickels. Both of them have the Monticello on the back. That is his home, a picture of his home. The nickel is round, it's silver, has Thomas Jefferson, and it's bigger than a penny. Today we have the dime. We are adding the dime. It is silver. What else can you tell me about the dime? Well, let's take a look at the dime really quick and see if you can come up with some more descriptions. Tell me what you know. Okay, so here is the front of the dime. Right there. That's Franklin D. Roosevelt's picture. He was the president. And then we have the back of the dime is the torch with the 2 olive branches. What do you notice about the dime? Do you notice that it's silver? Is this round or square? It is round. You are correct. So it's silver and it's round. What else do you notice? Let's think about it for just a minute. It's silver and it's round, so is a nickel. How are they different? Do we need to look at a nickel too? Be right back. Okay, here we are. We have the dime, the front and the back of a dime, and we have a penny and a nickel. Now tell me what you notice. Do you see anything different? What's different? Are these coins the same size? No, the dime is what? Smaller. Is the dime the same size as the penny? No, it's still also a little bit smaller because you can see some of the penny underneath. It's a little bit smaller than the penny. It's a lot smaller than the nickel. What else do you notice? Is the dime the same color as the nickel? Yes, they're both silver. Is the dime the same color as the penny? No, the penny is copper. What do you notice about all the faces? Who were those people? That's right, they were all presidents who did something very important for our country. The backs, are the backs different? Remember, we have Monticello, and we have, this one has the Union Shield, but some of them still have the Lincoln Memorial. Are the backs the same or different? Different, that's right. So it's easy to tell that you don't have the same coins because the backs are different for sure, right? How much is the nickel? How much did we say a nickel's value was the other day? It's worth how much? 2 cents? 4? Oh, 5. Yes, 5 cents. What about the penny? It is worth 1 cent. 1 cent. Well, we are going to learn about the dime today, and the dime is worth 10 cents. Woohoo! Hold up 10 fingers. Say 10 cents. Okay, so a dime is worth 10 cents. Okay, so they are all coins. They all have presidents. 2 are silver. They're all different sizes, and they're all different values. A dime is worth 10 cents, which is the same as 10 whole pennies. Let's double check that. I think their math is off. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A dime is worth 10 pennies, 10 cents. A dime is worth, a nickel is the same thing. 2 nickels is the same as 10 cents, 1 dime. Let's count the nickels by, what do we count nickels by? 5s. Ready? 5, 10. 2 nickels equals 10 cents. So 2 nickels is the same thing as a dime. How many pennies is the same thing as a dime? 10. 10 pennies is worth the same amount of money. So if something costs 10 cents, you can use a dime to buy it, 10 pennies to buy it, or 2 nickels to buy it. Which one looks like it's easier to carry around in your pocket? Yeah, the dime. That would be a lot easier to carry and not quite so noisy or heavy, right? Yep, I think you're right. So for today's practice, you're going to practice writing the cent signs again. Click on the pen and trace the cent signs. Then at the bottom, I need you to fill in the blanks in the sentence stem. This coin is called a, what is this coin called again? What are we talking about today? What is this? A dime. That's right. It is worth how much money? What is this? 10 cents. Okay, so you're going to write in the blank the name of the coin and how much it's worth. Got it? Okay. Then on your next page, you're going to circle all the dimes. When you're finished circling all the dimes you see, you're going to save your assignment and turn it into your teacher. Then you can listen to a Jack Hartman video. We have the 2 new money ones. And then you may go to Extra Math and iStation. So what did you learn today? Let me think about that for a minute. We learned that a cent is less than $1, that a dime is a silver-colored coin. It has President Franklin D. Roosevelt on it. And the back of the dime has a torch with 2 olive branches. And we learned that a dime is worth 10 cents. Wow! So that is all we have for today, friends. Come back tomorrow for some more money talk. Bye. Have a good day.